Well students, so firstly I am going to give you information about material sources. In material sources, various objects, monuments, places, coins and sculptures are included. A. Various objects. Various objects, those are found in excavation, are used as material source of history. What is the purpose? To get the information about that age. Which objects? Like stone tools, bricks, different types of broken potteries, such types of material is found in excavation. That's why these various objects is used to get the information about that type of history. Next is their monuments. What is meant by monuments? So, monuments means statues, historical buildings means monuments. Statues of different social workers, freedom fighters are built in the memory of various events. These statues give us information about those events reason and those events year. Historical buildings like palaces of kings, offices, residences, jail, such types of historical buildings give us information about architecture of that period as well as historical importance of that building. These statues, historical buildings are the monuments. See places. There are so many places, historical places in India, like Gateway of India, Taj Mahal, Lal Mahal, Qutub Minar, Char Minar, etc. These places tell us information about architecture of that time. By whom, when, why those places are built there. Like Taj Mahal is built by Shah Jahan in the loving memory of Mumtaz. Next, coins. Different types of coins are minted by the different kings by using different metals like gold, silver, having pictures of gods, their own pictures, crops pictures, and period is also mentioned there, age is also mentioned there. Those coins give us information about that king, his period, his religious ideas. Since ancient times, coins like Kaudi, Damdi, Dhela, Pai, Paisa, Ana and Rupee are used by the people. Some local proverbs are also there based on those ancient coins. Those we learned from our grandparents. एक फुटकी कौड़ी सुद्धा देणार नाही. Kaudi means lowest bit of money. 16 आना सच, आना 16 आना सच, 100% true. In this way, coins give us information about that history as a material source. E. Sculptures. Sculpture means the art of making 2 or 3 dimensional representative by carving stones or woods. Sculpture means the art of making 2-3 dimensional representative by carving stones or woods. Like Sanchi Stup, Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, and one dancing girl you find on your history book's first page. That is found in the excavation at Mohenjo-daro. These things give us information about carving art of that age, people life, occupation, festival, tradition. Such types of information is also carved with the help of that carving art on the stones. In this way, we saw in material sources various subjects, monuments, places, coins, and sculptures. In our next session, I will tell you about written sources. Well, students, so firstly, I am going to give you information about material sources. In material sources, various objects, monuments,